Well, we got a huge rainstorm last night. Warnings of tornadoes and stuff like that. This I've never seen water in. I have to admit that. This is probably from the highway up there and all that. It comes through the easement. I've never seen water in it. But you can see it's still a good foot below the thing here. Might need to take a look at that down the road. And then there is the stream has turned into a raging river. But again, it's still at least 10 feet below where I'm building, and if not, maybe closer to 15. And as you can see, it's definitely flowing pretty damn fast. Nice about that is washing out all the leaf debris and everything. It's been nice and clear. It's got some churn to it. It's interesting. You can see how much water is now coming out of the spring over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it, and I don't see any coming down the flowing off of the hillside up there. So somewhere that spring is being fed out of nowhere. It's crazy. I don't want to get across there and take a look. But there it is. So I could imagine that even if it were to rain for days on end, it would take quite a bit of rain for it to even breach this bank. I mean, you can see that at one point it definitely drags some material down. And it would be good to get that material out of there for sure. That would actually help the water flow if it ever got up there. But it's still pretty low compared to what it could rage to before it starts to be a concern. Really interesting though. Really glad I came out to see this. I mean, not really fun standing in the rain, but there you can see way up there is the slab. And I see a couple pockets of water and such, but turn around and you can see like that. Yeah, that's a good 10 feet below where I'm standing right now, and I'm still below another 4 feet or so below the hill up there. Not bad. It's also nice to see that this bridge will actually work. You can see the posts a little clearer now that they're nice and black looking because they're wet. Yeah, look at that. I've been thinking about removing these in here just to make sure that the riverbed was good and clear. This is partially because if there's debris, I want the debris to be able to move further down possibly, but I don't know. Sometimes you just should let Mother Nature do what Mother Nature does. It's starting to sound like a country hick out here. A mailbox fell over. I don't know what the hell she's doing. Probably tracking something. Okay, well, that's about as much fun as we need to have today. Let's get out of here. Let's go buy a mountain bike. All right. See you, everybody. Actually, before I go, I'm going to wander a little bit further off. Just curious to see where the water is high. I kind of figured there'd be some water flow through this. And this is not bad. It does make me think that one thing we need to be aware of is that the water does come down from the hillside through this area. So what we might want to do is make sure that this can drain out of here through this area. So we might want to cut in something. Yeah, the water gets pretty high over here. I mean, we are considerably downhill from the house. And this is just water that's run off, you know, from up the hill. All right, interesting. Let's get going.